welcome to another Baddie business meeting. We are going to start off with PixArt. So we are going to go all the way down, to press the plus button and go all the way down to the bottom, and we're going to click on the transparent background, and we're going to save that to our camera roll. Download photo, boom. Okay, now we're going to go to Fonto, and we're going to upload the transparent background, and we're going to put our label on there. Upload the transparent background. Okay, boom. Now we're going to add text. Okay, so I'm typing my label, and then I'm going to place that directly in the middle so that just in case anything moves or anything, I know that it was in the middle. Okay, now I'm going to pick my colors. You can do anything on this app. You can do a lot. Like you can add a stroke, you can add a shadow, but this label didn't need a stroke, so I took off the stroke. And now I am going to add the crown. So now I press the 3 buttons. Oh, and you can also change the font, but I press the 3 buttons and press add image. And now I'm in my camera roll looking for my crown. Okay, click the crown, boom, insert the crown. And now I'm going to put the Baddie back in the middle, and I'm going to resize the crown until I'm satisfied. I'm going to resize the crown and move it to where I want it. Okay, I'm gonna move it a little bit more, make it a little bit smaller. This is really up to you. You get creative. You can do a lot with this app. And it doesn't just have to be this app. You can use like any editing app. Okay, moving that, boom, boom. Now we're going to save the project and then save the image as a PNG. Okay, so then after that we send it to our email and we download it to the computer. So now we upload it into Cricut. So now I'm uploading the image, boom, upload the image, and then we press, I always click complex just so it gives me the best cut. And then I'm using vinyl, so I'm just going to cut instead of print then cut. But if you were using transparent paper, then you can do a print then cut. So now I'm going to insert this into a new project, boom, and then I'm going to resize it to the size that I want it to be. And then we are going to make the image. Okay, make the image. Okay, now we press next, and then so since I'm using regular vinyl, I think it's vinyl, I'm going to browse materials, and then I'm going to use, click on, go down to vinyl and click premium, and boom. And I'm going to apply more pressure because that gives a more precise cut. So then I'm putting my vinyl on the mat, and then I'm going to insert it into the Cricut. Boom, we're gonna let that cut. and I'm gonna peel it off with the spatula. And now I'm going to carefully peel the excess vinyl off of the paper. You want to do this carefully, because just like because you see, like you just want to be careful with it, because it can, your sticker can tear, or a piece can come off, anything. See, I had to go back and put the dot for the eye. And then you just want to peel off any excess vinyl. Okay, peel that off. This label came out so pretty, like I'm loving it. Boom. Okay, so this is basically how you make a lip gloss label using Cricut, or this is how you can make any label. So you're gonna put that on the tube, and then you're gonna scrape it on there with the scraper. Boom, boom, boom. And then when you peel it off, you want to peel it off slowly. Peel off the transfer tape slowly, and boom, that's how it looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this meeting, this Baddie business meeting. Go check out the website at RoyalBaddieCosmetics.com. We offer lip gloss, we offer lashes, and we have more products dropping soon. Until next time, Royal family, meeting adjourned. Bye.